Thinking about moving internationally from Switzerland? There are a few rules and requirements you'll want to know before you start packing. In this video, I'll walk you through them so your move goes smoothly. Moving abroad involves more than just boxes and trucks. You'll need to think about customs paperwork, export regulations, and sometimes even visas or permits. Let's break it down step by step. First thing, customs documentation. Switzerland requires detailed export declarations, especially for high-value items or electronics. Make sure you list everything and keep copies of invoices or receipts. This helps avoid delays or fines when crossing international borders. Next, every destination country has its own import rules. Some countries charge taxes or duties on household goods, while others offer duty-free allowances. Knowing your destination's rules ahead of time helps you estimate costs and avoid surprises at the port of entry. Certain items like plants, alcohol, pets, or vehicles often need special permits or inspections. If you're shipping these, plan early and confirm the specific requirements so your shipment isn't held up at customs. The easiest way to navigate all this? Work with experienced international movers. They know the regulations, help prepare proper documentation, and can advise you on country-specific requirements. International moving from Switzerland doesn't have to be confusing. Follow the rules, prepare ahead, and get expert help when you need it. Check the link in the description for more details and a free moving quote.